Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Acer Nitro 5 randomly starting off. First, make sure your laptop is not overheating. Overheating is one of the main reasons a laptop shuts down suddenly. Place your laptop on a flat surface, not on a bed or a pillow. Make sure the air vents are not blocked. Now, open NitroSense by pressing the key with N logo. Here, check the temperature of the CPU and GPU. If the temperature is very high, turn the fan speed to auto or max. After that, check the charger and power cable. Make sure the charger is plugged in properly. If the charger is loose or damaged, the laptop may shut down suddenly. Another important step is to check the battery health. If the battery is old or damaged, the laptop may turn off within or without warning. If the laptop still shuts off, it could be a hardware issue like dust inside the fan. In that case, it is best to take a laptop to a professional technician. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.